Are you from Lancaster as well? Hey. Oops, sorry. I 2-card. Oh, you live in Lancaster. Just a moment. Excuse me.
You can take over the card on top.
This one?
Yeah. You can put the other card over next to the scanner. You can clean all the cards up.
Dang, they canceled it. Sorry, guys. That's not close. I mean, it's not up to me, babes. You heard them. Six, 11, 21. That's not close. Okay, 20 against my 5. Don't do it. Don't do it. What's LCR? Wow, one person did it. No, actually, it's 5 people splitting right now. There's 5 people splitting right now. Wow, all face cards. All face cards. Ace Snyder, do you need customer support? Ooh, they might have saved you. Deal has 11. Nope. Deal has 21. I'm not in that pit tonight. I'm in roulette and infinite pit. Yeah, I know. I miss it. I'll be on there tomorrow, though, probably. But I don't know. That's not close. Ooh. Let's go, let's go. Okay, those splitters be doing something. Like, they'll make you lose, like, abysmal money. But then they'll make up for it for giving you some crazy type of hand, some crazy type of side. 30-1. Let's get it. Thank you, Centaurio, for that tip. Appreciate the love. Let's go. But yeah, I do miss Bach. But I like it here. It's different. It's different. Thank you, Kim Stack, my girl Kim. Appreciate you. Major side. Ooh, Deal has 10. We need a low card. Oof. All right, 18.